Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They often make more money by doing this rather than fixing your car. The process may depend more on the actual cash value of your car than the amount of damage, as a newer, more expensive vehicle is much more costly to declare a total loss than an inexpensive one.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
We hear horror stories about older, functioning automobiles being totaled, simply because the frame is bent or other seemingly minor and hidden damage occurs. Insurance companies will typically consider such a vehicle to be a total loss, even though the repairs are only 75% of ACV.
Take our lead.
5 tips to negotiate the best settlement for my totaled car. Know what you are selling to your car insurance company. Prepare your counter offer. Determine the comparables (comps) in the area. Obtain a written settlement offer from the auto insurance company. Make your counter offer for your totaled car.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Many states set a total loss threshold, which is the level of damage at which an insurer like Geico must legally declare a car a total loss. The level of damage is expressed as a percentage of the car's actual cash value. Depending on the state, the threshold can be from 50% to 100%.
Take our lead.
Contact your agent and initiate an insurance claim. Your insurer will determine whether the vehicle is a total loss, based on repair costs. Your insurer will issue payment for the actual cash value of the totaled vehicle, minus your deductible on your comprehensive or collision coverage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.